This is EGME-331 Solid Mechanics Pre-requisite video series. In this video, we'll be reviewing the topic of moment of inertia. As we know, moment of inertia is a very important topic and is asked in most of the physics problems that involves mass in rotation. So moment of inertia is used to calculate angular momentum. So what's the definition of moment of inertia? It is a quantity expressed by the body resisting angular acceleration, which is the sum of the mr squares of every particle, right, where m would be the mass of each particle and r would be the distance from the axis of rotation. In simple terms, moment of inertia can be described as a quantity that decides the amount of torque needed for a specific angular acceleration in a rotational axis. So moment of inertia is also termed as angular mass or the rotational inertia. The unit of moment of inertia, the SI unit would be kilogram meter square, which is mass distance square. The moment of inertia is usually specified with respect to a chosen axis of rotation. So the axis of rotation is an important factor while determining the moment of inertia. Also, moment of inertia depends on the distribution of the mass around this axis of rotation, and also it varies depending on the axis that is chosen. Now, what are some of the factors affecting moment of inertia? The moment of inertia depends on the following factors. Number one is the density of the material. Then we have the shape as well as the size of the body, and last one is the axis of rotation, which is the distribution of mass relative to its axis. Here we can see some of the 3D shapes which are commonly used and their associated moment of inertia. As in the case of a solid sphere, moment of inertia I would be 2 by 5 mr square. If you consider a solid cylinder, moment of inertia about the z-axis would be half mr square. And you can see the rest of the moments of inertia of common 3D shapes here.